If I was to put a number that they're saving per build, I would say $2,000 to $3,000. I have had a lot more people buy decked in their fleets right now because of the use of them. And if they don't want to spend a few $1,000s for a drawer, this is an easy spot that will fit them. So my name is Zeb Land. I work for John Wright Associates. We are manufacturers reps for multiple different products that are focused for emergency, safety, all sorts of different things. Deal with lights, deal with decked products. We deal with consoles, a little bit of everything that goes on vehicles. And we go out and visit the end users, and we visit distributors. All of your public works, your utilities, your cooperatives, tow truck companies, construction companies, and then of course all the different guys that build the vehicles. Once somebody's purchased it, that's who we go see. A lot of the cities and people that we work with lease their vehicles. I can put a deck system in the back of a truck and not have to drill any holes. When they return their vehicles back in, they're not charged different fees for it to be repurposed for the next people. Some numbers that I know is that each time a vehicle is transferred to another upfit shop, it's $150. Not counting what you would do for the install for whatever piece you're putting on it. Before the end users even got their vehicle, there's a $450 fee added onto their vehicle just to get it where they need to. And if they have the people in their own shops that can do these pieces, then I'm saving that. And we know how easy to put in a deck system is. So if I can have my own guys in the shop do that, then that's a whole nother labor cost that I don't have to spend somewhere else. There's been a lot of advantages that I've seen from people that I've talked to that have thoroughly enjoyed the product. Guys can easily get in the back of their truck. They can securely store all their products. Doesn't have to worry about it getting stolen. I can't think of anybody that it wouldn't work for. For what you're gonna get out of one of them, you're gonna see that's gonna easily replace multiple pieces. Once they've seen it and used it and know the difference of me being able to get into the back of my truck versus having to climb in the back of my truck, there's no reason why they would want to continue the same thing. And whether it be seeing a demo that we have on our trucks to show them what all the functions are, but finding it, putting their hands on it, being able to see what it does is the best way that I would push for somebody to try the product. I do have a story of some local cooperative that was having very expensive metal boxes put in the back of all their trucks. They saw the decked product, saw this would fill a niche for them and drastic savings for them. So they pulled the trigger and have put it on all of their specs for their new trucks coming out for a specially made box that would go to them and the next pieces that go onto it. Some stories that I hear personally when I go show them my product is for cities that don't have it yet. And then you see all the guys that see the product as they look at it and they're going right to their boss and saying, I want that in my truck, because they know how it's gonna help them. We thoroughly enjoy being able to go out there and show a product that's made here in America and be able to help our end users with a product that's gonna fit for them and last.